What's up guys, Riley here from Hodson Motors with our friends at Retro Manufacturing, going over this 1981 Toyota pickup that we built. We did this with a bunch of goodies from Retro Manufacturing, like new speakers, a retro radio, and some belts from Retro Belt. We love all the parts that we put on from Retro Manufacturing. They're great, they're super high quality, they work great, they sound awesome, and they just make a build much nicer, but still keep it with that classic look. It's a huge plus to have these parts in our trucks. So we hope you like it, check it out.